Hello, today I would like to start a new series of videos that I'm thinking of making, and in this series I'm gonna develop a web app. It's gonna be based on Elixir, and I also want to self-host it and do some vibe coding, and we'll see how far I get. And before this video I've started a new coding project. I put it on GitHub, and I will show you a little bit of what I've done thus far, and then talk about what I will do in the coming steps. Here I have my code. So it's Elixir, as you can see here, 80%, and I've used the Ash framework. This is just like the initial example project you get when you just create a new project, so it's nothing fancy. And I'm gonna self-host it, so I have a server at home, and I'm using Coolify on it. So this is what I'm working on at the moment to set up a Docker Compose file that works here. But I can show you some of the code, just how I'm running it. So I have the project here, and the app I want to build in this project, that's a site for comparing .se domain registrars to see like where can you buy the cheapest .se domain name. So yeah, we have the .se domain name in Sweden, and I just want to see what registrars have it, and then keep the site updated if they change the prices on those sites. So I would like to have like a front end where you see the registrars, the current price, and like the renew price, and then have some background job that goes and fetches and parses the website of those registrars and gets the current price and keep it updated. So yeah, it will be a front end and then some background job that runs. And as I said, I went with the Ash framework. I haven't used it before, but I have heard quite a lot of people talking about Ash framework, so it will be interesting to try it. It's based on Phoenix Live View, which is very popular, but here, so it's just a simple project here. So if I just start it, and then it will spin up, and then when it's running we can click here to open it in the browser, and as we can see, it's just the standard Phoenix website that you get when it's new, and what I've spent some time on. So here I have the Docker Compose file that I have written, but it's not really working yet. But if we go to Dockerfile, it's based on something from 𝗦�59.io I found, but then I tweaked it a little bit to get it working. So first it will do separately like a builder that compiles the Elixir project. Yeah, as you can see here, like mix compile, and then for the assets as well, Phoenix and Ash, like they are using Tailwind, so that's what it compiles here. And later then it creates the image that is like the actual runner. Here it copies the compiled file and puts it into this image instead. So you don't get all stuff that is involved with compiling the project, but only for running it here. Yeah, here it's the command for running it in the end. So I can just show you here with the Docker to show you that it works with running it. So it runs on port 4000 inside the Docker container. We can go back here and refresh, and yeah, it's still working. And if we can see the requests here. If I turn it off, then it's not running anymore. So the next step is to set it up in Coolify, and what I want to use is a feature here, preview deployments. So I would like to use an AI that can code and then publish a PR for me, and then also for the PR to then spin up an instance of the web app, so I can easily test it. So just in a PR, be able to click on a link and try it out, see what it has done, and then based on trying the app, approve it. And I hope I will manage to get this to work. It has been a little bit tricky to figure out how. So I have like two alternatives. So either I'm using Tailscale, so a private network that only I can access, or I might use 𝗘𝗺𝗶𝗹 tunnel, so to expose my web server out on the internet, and then make it possible to access the actual website, but also these preview deployments. Maybe they will also be online on the internet. I will see how I solve it, but I haven't managed to get it to work yet, but that's, I think, an important step for my setup to make these preview deployments to work. But I think that was everything I wanted to show you, and I hope to have time to be able to continue on this project, and then I want to keep you updated with how it's going, and it will be fun to share the progress, and I hope I have time to continue it. But that was it for today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.